What's up, Gem Babes? Welcome back to another video, aka weekly vlog and or just a vacation vlog. We don't know what we're doing yet, but when we start editing, we definitely will. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Gemma. We do all things motherhood, motivation, and lifestyle. I'm currently in Jamaica, and you're here with me. Duh. To my OGs, welcome back. Make sure you like, you share, and subscribe. If you're new here, I pray and hope. If you're new here, I hope and pray that you stay. Okay, so let's go. Okay, let's go. We got a whole bunch of stuff doing today. It's really early. Like I said, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell because you don't want to miss the extravaganza. Yeah, that part. All right. This is mopping the floor out there. It's early in the morning. What? You like it on me? It's weird, right? I'm a big face girl.
No, that's not that bad. Yeah. All right, we gotta do our.
Good morning. We're heading to breakfast, guys. So we're just taking a stroll. The sun is sunning. So gorgeous, so beautiful. Yep, this is where I want to be every day, all day. Sensible. So, let me tell you really quickly about breakfast. Selections upon selections upon choices upon choices. Breakfast is my favorite part of the day. I'm a brunch breakfast type of girl. So, we had some codfish, we had an omelet, we had bami, we had dumpling, we had hash brown. Ooh, when I tell you, heaven, heaven on earth, baby. Breakfast was so good, and I'm sure you can tell. Listen, being near the water really does something to your girl. I mean, uh, I am so in love with just being by the water. Hint, hint, your girl is a Cancer. You know, us crabs like to be on the sand and not in the water. Hint, hint. Fun fact about me, guys, my birthday is in June. However, I love the water, but whatsoever, your girl cannot swim. Okay? I am terrified of the water. Okay? Because your girl can't swim. However, if hubby's around, my oldest daughter's around, yeah, we are at ease because they are the swimmers, okay? So I actually found this gentleman on the beach. He was selling some stuff, so I decided to support him nonetheless. Thank you for hosting us, Jamaica. Say hello to
Hello.
say hello to New York.
Hello, New York City. I'm coming shortly, okay?
Yes, we're
Yeah,
waiting for you, and
I'm
thank you for
coming
having us.
shortly. Yeah, thank you to come here to us too, you know?
Yes,
New York City.
absolutely.
Yeah, man.
First
So
time.
much bracelet. This is coconut shell. No, I'm telling you about the shell from the ocean. That's a real shell. Yeah, and I have a coconut shell. Yes, I was telling you, that's coconut shell. You see those two? see sharks. What I do when I see them, I try to take myself this way. If I go that way, when I see them, I start to come this way. The teeth is very dangerous, you know? Yeah. Ankle bracelet. Shell, that when I go to dive, I get the shells. Real shell, not plastic. So you ready for the race, Lee? Depends on the one you want. These one at the national foot. So the red, no, the yellow is from the green one, the black is from the $20.
Which one is that?
This one is the one low basically. So you know the yellow for the sunshine, the green for the land, the red for the black for when the people. That's the one low.
I want the one with the red.
This one.
Before the before.
You look like a baby. You look like a baby yourself. You know that?
That one's probably good for me. Okay guys, we're back in the room. We're changed. We got our sneakers on. And we're heading out. So look at my towel. Jamaica. So gotta bring a towel with us. And yeah, that's it. We're ready. We're ready.
I mean, I'm not gonna bring the stand if they ain't charged.
I can't fight. No problem. This is when the adventures really start. Right. You nervous as hell? I'm sweating. That whoosh.
I mean, the helmet is gonna cover your head, bro.
poussière qui a foutu tout fort.
Yeah, but this is
Ready to jump on the ATVs, guys. It's that type of situation this morning.
Well, the ride is ready for you.
Nice.
all right. Can you take me a picture?
Go ahead, go.
Yes, the boss. I get a hairstyle. I am me.
It's hot. Woo!
Hot.
It's hot, hot.
Where you gonna put it in drive? This. Yeah. Turn the key. Turn the key first.
Yeah.
Right. Turn the key right.
Turn it on.
It's on.
Okay.
Press the button now.
The button over there.
Release the 100.
I didn't fit it, but I rock it like a baby in the car. I put the water in the ocean in the city that I'm from.
Come bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on it. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo go macho, yeah. Tobalo ma go macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him nigga red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he come out. No go fumble. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor.
So there you have it, guys. We went on our first excursion, which was to go and do some ATVs. It was phenomenal. Okay, it was amazing. It was a great experience, guys. We were out in the country. Okay, we were out in the country. We had a blast. A blast. First time and not the last. Kidnap. Get you a driver like ours. More life adventures, Siobhan. Make sure you ask for him, okay? To be your driver. He's amazing. Yep. And we got some kidnap. We put la kayo. Kidnap liye. We tonton.
Show them the money.
This is not what I looked like when I was coming. However, what happened was he want to vibe. He want to hold.
No, if you want a video.
Hope you good.
Yeah.
Welcome. Hi, good day. Guys, guess what? Like the Jamaicans would say, hungry did I bite me. So I forgot to show you guys what we had. But we went to eat at Cali. I had jerk chicken. My sister had oxtail. It's been real. Whoa. Where's the string? It's in the bag. Okay. We're back at the hotel. Oh. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. GemmasGems and all about Cece. Jamaica 2024. You should be here.
What are you doing there? You're supposed to be here.